Hello my dear students and viewers, welcome back to my channel Scorpio class. In this video, we are going to discuss the answer key for the model question paper 3 for the year 25-26, and this is model question paper of class 10 science. So this is going to be very helpful for you all as exams are nearing and you're worried about your preparation. So this model answers is going to help you to prepare in what way the questions are asked and what points and how to write the answer. So let's start with our today's video. We are going to discuss model question paper 3's answer key, and this is subject science. So here we are going to discuss each of the section wise questions. First we will see part A physics section, and then we'll go to chemistry and biology. So very firstly we have multiple choice question. You can see the question and answer displayed on the screen. So first question, a mirror produces erect and enlarged image of an object. Then the type of mirror and the nature of that image is respectively. Answer is option D, concave mirror and virtual image. Next, the rate of energy consumed in an electrical circuit is electric. Option D, power, electric power. Okay, then we have second main, answer the following question. Quickly go through all the question answers here. I'll be sharing it on the screen so that you get an idea how to write the answers. So question 3 has 2 sub questions and the answer of both of it is given here, and even the marks allocation is given here. So you can have a look at everything over here. Then you have fourth question and its answer over here. Then moving to next main, we have fifth question with sub question A and B, and answer for it is given over here. Question 6, answer for it along with the marks allocation, and there is one optional question for question 6 that is given over here. You can do either one of it from both sixth question. So this is your answer here. Okay, A and B. Next question 7. Then it come to fourth main, answer the following 3-mark question. Question number 8. It's draw a diagram. So this is how you draw this diagram, and then for diagram you have marks, and for labeling the parts you have marks. And then question 9, what is presbyopia? Answer for it. And there is an optional question here. What is short-sightedness? And like this goes the answer. Okay, so main purpose is to show you the answer so that you can understand how to write it. And then we get question 10, sub question A and B. Then its answers are here, sub question A and sub question B. Then you have an optional question again, question A, B. Answer for question A, B again here. So there, wherever your options, you can check whichever you know well, you can attempt that. Then coming to fifth main, answer the following questions again. A, B, C, you have 3 sub questions here. You can see the questions. What is reflection of light? State the laws of reflection of light. What is the focal length of a mirror? So all these 3 sub questions and its answers are given here. Each carries marks accordingly. It is allocated over here. Okay, 1, 2, and 1 mark. Okay. You have an optional question for this also. You have ABC question, refraction of light, state Snell's law of refraction, then define the following. So you have A, B, and C answers which are given here. Then you have question 12A, observe the diagram, and question B, an electric fan. Okay, so then you have an answer for both of it over here. So see the steps, see the sums. You can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and you can check your answers. So with this, we complete our physics section. Now we'll have to move to section B. So let's see that. So now we have here chemistry section, part B. Again, we start with multiple choice question. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is option D, CaOCl2. Then question 14, observe the following chemical equation, identify the correct statement. So this is the chemical equation and the right answer is option C. Okay. Next, question 15, another structure that has the same molecular formula of the given structural formula among the following is. So you have to see, and then the similar one is option D. Answer is option D. Okay. Then next, coming to question 16. This is your question and answers. What is the reason for the formation of brown colored fume in the experiment shown through the below given figure? So answer is given here. Then question 17. Question 18, points are given. Any two is given that you can add any 2 points also, and the marks allocation is also given for each point. So you can get every idea from this model answer paper. Next, we have 19th question, an answer for it. 20th question. 20th question has an optional question here. Why the calcium does not catch fire when it reaches with water? Okay, then question 21, answer for it. Then 22, you have question A and B. Answer is given here. An optional question again given. Option A and option B question. Answer for it is also given over here. Okay, then question 23. Diagram to be drawn. For drawing, you have 2 marks. Then labeling, you have half of mark each. Okay, then question 24. A, B. Answer is given here. A and answer B. Then 25th question. Again, sub question A and B. And then answer for it is given over here in points. Okay, so this is all about our section 2, that is chemistry. Now we'll have to move to section C, that is biology. So you heard this is part C, biology. We have again multiple choice question. Each section starts with MCQs. So first one, the function of stomata among the following is option A, exchange of gases. The plant hormone responsible for phototropism is in plants is option A, auxin. A common bacterial infection that spreads through sexual contact in human being is gonorrhea. Option A, gonorrhea. Okay. Then next, answer the following questions. Question 29. Then you have answer for it. Question 30. Answer for it. Question 31 and its answer. You can pause the video, take the screenshot and observe the answers properly. Then draw the diagram to show structure of a nephron and label the parts of Bowman's capsule. So this is how the diagram looks like. For diagram, you have 1.5 mark. For labeling the parts, you have half mark. Okay, next moving to 33rd question. Answer. And then 34th question, draw the diagram again of a human brain. Now this question of drawing a human brain and labeling the part is a repeated question. So this can be an important from exam point of view. It can be asked. So very carefully you can practice this and score 3 full marks over here. So you can practice this. Okay, then question 35, you have sub question A and B. And then the answer for it is given below. You have an optional question also for it. This is the optional question here. And then the answer is given over here. Then question 36, option sub question A and B, answer for it is given over here. And then question 37, sub question A and B, answer for A and B given here. An optional question is also there. Again, optional A, sub question A and B. And then this is the answer for it. A and B. 38th question, A and B. Answer for it. Again, optional question. And the answer for it is given here. So this was biology section, and with this we complete all our 3 sections of science paper, physics, chemistry and biology. I tried to share the answers so that you get a complete idea how to attempt the paper and how to write the answers and how much marks will be allotted. So I hope this video is going to help you a lot in preparing your exam. So if it has helped you, do comment in the comment section, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Also join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box. And if you want any other video from this kind of video from any other subject, you can again drop a comment and ask for the same. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.